It's a GCSE past paper question of simultaneous equations, and I'd ask you to solve these two simultaneously. So y equals x squared plus 3x minus 2, and 3x plus 2y is 22. There are a few different ways of doing it. The way this one's set up, I often say rearrange this one and substitute it in here, but I'm actually going to go the other way this time. We know y equals x squared plus 3x minus 2. I'm going to exchange this y here for this and then try and tidy it up. So it's going to be 3x plus 2 upon x squared plus 3x minus 2 equals 22. Take a wee second, see you can see what I've done there. I've simply written out what I'm going to call equation 2 again, only I've exchanged my y for an x squared plus 3x minus 2. Let's try and tidy this up now. I have kind of a wee clue down here what's going to happen, but that's okay. 3x plus 2x squared plus 6x minus 4 equals 22. Tidying it up, the 2x squared, 3x plus 6x is 9x, and then obviously taking away 22 from both sides, giving you minus 26 equals 0. We have a quadratic equation here in x, and we can either use the formula a is 2, b is 9, c is minus 26, or we can try and factorize it. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply to give 2 times minus 26 minus 52, and the same two numbers add to give 9. A good card player like myself know that 52 is 13 times 4, so it's going to be something like that. So I'm going to split my middle term then into 2x squared plus 13x minus 4x minus 26 equals 0. I draw my line down here. I then get an x upon 2x plus 13, and then it's going to be a minus 2 upon 2x plus 13 equals 0. So that means x minus 2 equals 0, or 2x plus 13 equals 0. That gives me x is 2. Hopefully you're okay what I've done there. There maybe should have a wee line in between, which is x minus 2. What's not in the bracket? What is in the bracket? 2x plus 13 equals 0. So here x is 2, or 2x plus 13. So that means that 2x is minus 13, and x then is minus 6 and a half. I'm going to cheat here and kind of look at the answers. But we have x is 2 and x is minus 6 and a half, and I want to substitute then these into one of these two. I don't like the squared thing, so I'm going to go with this and just rearrange it. So I'm going to sub into 2, sub into number 2, which is 3x plus 2y equals 22. That means in this case 3 times the 2 is 6 plus 2y is 22. That means 2y is 16 and y is 8. So the point x is 2, y is 8 is one of my solutions. The other solution here, if x is minus 6 and a half, 3 minus 6 and a half's goodness is going to be what? Minus 19 and a half plus 2y is 22. I really hope I'm getting this one right. It doesn't look that nice, but that's okay. Adding 19 and a half onto both sides gives me 2y. It's almost adding 20, so 42, so 41 and a half. Goodness. And that means y then is going to be 20.75, I think. So that means x is minus 6 and a half and y is 20.75. I'm just going to check that just in case, but hopefully I have it here somewhere. Maybe I won't, I'll just pause. So those are my answers then, and I'm looking for x is 2 and y is 8, x is minus 6 and a half, and y is 20 and 3/4.